Tatlong hakbang para sa pagkuha ng National ID. Panoorin lamang ang video na ito hanggang dulo para malaman mo kung paano ang proseso. Alam mo bang makukuha mo ang Digital National ID mo in 3 easy steps? Alamin kung paano makapagrehistro sa Philippine Identification System o PhilSys. Step 1. Pagkolekta ng demographic information at appointment setting for Step 2 gamit ang online registration portal na magbubukas ngayong April 2021. I-click lamang ang link sa description box ng video na ito upang kayo ay makapag-register sa portal ng Philippine National ID. Dito kukunin ang sumusunod na impormasyon. Kailangan ng pangalan, gender, date of birth, place of birth, blood type, at address. At iba pang optional information tulad ng marital status, cellphone number, at email address. Pagkatapos mag-input ng kinakailangang impormasyon, maaari na rin kayong mag-set ng appointment para sa Step 2 sa registration center na malapit sa inyong lugar. Para naman sa Step 2, pagkuha ng biometric information tulad ng fingerprint, iris scan, at front-facing photograph at validation ng supporting documents. Ang hakbang na ito ay gaganapin sa registration center na inyong pinili mula sa step number 1 registration. Huwag kalimutang dalhin ang inyong transaction number para sa hakbang na ito. Para sa lista ng supporting documents na maaaring dalhin, i-click lamang ang link sa description box ng video na ito para malaman kung ano-ano ang mga listahan ng supporting documents na maaaring dalhin. Para naman sa step number 3, issuance ng PhilSys number o PSN at PhilID. Ang inyong PSN at PhilID ay i-deliver ng PhilPost sa inyong tahanan. Paalala lamang po na huwag i-post sa social media ang inyong PhilID dahil ito ay naglalaman ng inyong personal na impormasyon. Kung mayroong concern o tanong, maaaring sumangguni sa mga sumusunod na feedback channels. Email info@philsys.gov.ph, Facebook PSA PhilSys Official, at hotline naman 138 fees may apply. Sama-sama tayo sa pagsulong para sa isang makabagong Pilipinas. Heto na ang PhilSys ID natin to. Para naman sa actual process ng pag-appointment online para makakuha ng National ID, i-click lamang ang link sa itaas para sa tutorial ng step-by-step process para malaman po ninyo ang proseso. Kung ikaw ay may mga katanungan pa, mag-comment lamang sa comment section ng video na ito. At mag-subscribe ka na rin at i-click ang notification bell para ikaw ay laging updated sa mga bawat upload natin na video tungkol sa National ID. Samantala, panoorin ang video nito na mula mismo sa Philippine Identification System Facebook page para malaman nyo kung para saan nga ba ang National ID.
Over the years, digital identification has established itself as an essential and critical factor of a country's shift to be a digital economy and society. The current identification systems in the Philippines have covered most Filipinos. However, the lack of a foundational ID has led to the emergence of more than 25 functional IDs with systems with narrow purposes offering no ability for holders to digitally authenticate themselves, thus creating dependence on paper-based and manual processes to verify identity. This results in high costs, lengthy processing times, exclusion of disadvantaged Filipinos, and fraud in service delivery, preventing shift to online transactions. Citizens are often required to present multiple valid IDs or 2 or more matching physical documents, which hinders their access to many services. And data across registries are often inconsistent due to limited to no interoperability and lack of authoritative sources of data. Without a foundational ID system to verify and establish uniqueness of all Filipinos, agencies have to depend on paper forms, manual registration processes, and post-payment validation in order to deliver services. The Philippine Identification System, or PhilSys, aims to establish a foundational identification system for all Filipinos to ease all kinds of private and government transactions and promote seamless delivery of services. The PhilSys adheres to the 10 Principles in Identification for Sustainable Development across the themes of inclusion, design, and governance. PhilSys will function as a unique identification through the PhilSys number or PSN and its tokens used to protect the PSN, and a digital authentication of that unique identity using technologies such as biometrics and one-time passwords. PhilSys is envisioned to become the digital platform that will improve the lives of Filipinos by making transactions and services, both in the government and private sector, simpler, safer, seamless, more secure, and more efficient. For more information and the latest on PhilSys, visit the official Facebook page at facebook.com/PSA PhilSys Official, call the PhilSys hotline at 1388, or send an email to info@philsys.gov.ph.